And the lawyer for Adom Otchere, any NPP TikTokers, have reacted to the fight in NDC. Confusion setting in the NDC party now. Lawyer for Adom Otchere, any NPP for no. Almost so abe 2 months and a hair. Remember, you know, to radio mama, ever comment section. I Penyah broke me. That mess was a need more. Over like if video, no other, my subscribe button, subscribe, click notification, connect latest updates. Now, better why you and mama, ever comment section. So, Baswa. No, I shall force on your biash. You know, there was issue. No, say, I'm going to be set that kind of agenda. No, I say, Mahama, on go for 30. I say, no, come A plus, it can be. Emma Mahama, I got the floor of parliament, it can be. Now, this issue, no, I'm a Fifi Kwetey, NDC General Secretary. I am he. Then I said, me party members won't be treated. Mukake, ya de mra na ebu Ghana, confusion no ho no mo. Edi dia na mo hyehye sumwase ya ye mo na Mahama tetem bi abra mo nim say according to mra no. Mahama owie na dwuma. Ene won so ne bu anwo so. Ene ne ofro mu hypocrite and sycophants. Naturally say Fifi Kwetey ebe so chire mu say Kwame plus ene Mahama yarega. Omu didi omu no mo nkwai. Oh, Governor. Oh, my Jawai. Hey! You know, we see me, what about fan chairman? Say, I must say, actually, train the doors. You can bomb pay 31st December and say, I didn't want to meet me into a radical so or yanaka cracker, Beja, a brain dura, Beja. So, according to the NDC General Secretary, Fifi Kwetey, all lebu come here plus more, and then, and for no more, Session Muhammad, Tatum agenda national, all lebu mean as sycophant, now in fact. So, energy, any boldness, Fifi Kwetey, Edika said, and in fact, Otchere said, or your leader.
So these days, it saddens me when I see so much sycophancy creeping into our party. I see a group of people who obviously, from every indication, they believe that singing the praises of a leader is the only way they can survive. And that's why you hear some of those people even urging statements like there should be a third term. It's just nothing but sycophancy. Pure sycophancy and bootlicking of the highest order.
And you've been Justin Kodia, there be. Justin Kodia, he's just a coward. Just like a baby in NPP. He's been controlled, or to mean commanded. But look at how Fifi Kwetey is Kasaya now, or command the Yankasa, or the commanding spirit. Judge your home to Fifi Kwetey. So we Fifi Kwetey, any Justin Kodia, JFK, why you now, when you she, won't me General Secretary, my day, won't me, how Fifi Kwetey, in NDC city near Dinkasa, you blasting or no Kasa members. JFK to me, yes, man, Usulukura. What I say, that's a Fifi Kwetey, then the other. Then I didn't power deserve General Secretary near the pa, then the other. Emma's no can, you know. And this is one of one, you say, oh, my oh, now, my God, just oh, my dread to the point of my dress, yes, the sycophant, oh, my God.
In Nurachini, 31st December, I feel say NDC Day, NDC Day, and I said President Rawlings Day. Until I feel say Penyah or Mukohon, Vice President, any national chairman, near General Secretary of the party. And if we say walk on ka the Rawlings from AFRC to PNDC to NDC. Now youth of the party no. Young men of the party no. Now T Rawlings are say. Now T the Rawlings Ejumapa Rawlings say no. Yempenimfo ni bi womanko kasa asem we ye national secretary honorable Fifi Kwetey ye national secretary honorable Fifi Kwetey kwaka de Rawlings say ya uko kansa hunu in some time bia ebema ye Ghana fo no ye party fo no ebe high say sycophant bootlickers who did the attempt me catch the Fifi Kwetey me jina we no me ya bootlickers me ya sycophant me ya financier ma NDC ewa Ashanti region ho baby so wonu na fi say wonu we fi say sycophant. He is the most sycophant bootlickers wonu waka be the then regional chairman Oyina Jekum. I support him over 40 or over 20 feet of container of bicycle and motorbike, and you Fifi Kwetey, you are sitting there and insult us. We are sycophant bootlickers. I will say it today, I will say it tomorrow. Fifi Kwetey, you are sycophant. You are greedy. You, Fifi Kwetey, insulting me, insulting the majority leader. Majority leader is a sycophant. Talking rubbish. I told my uncle to support the party. Who are you? Fifi Kwetey, who are you? Who dare you to insult we Ghanaians now supporting President Mahama going to third term? Today, we are going to read the Constitution. Maybe today or tomorrow, I will read the Constitution so that the Ghanaians people will know that we, the scrap dealers in the region and the Ghana, we can read the Constitution and understand the Constitution. Who are you? Who dare you to insult us? Fifi Kwetey. Fifi Kwetey, I'm talking to you. Who dare you to insult us? Sycophant. You are the leader of sycophant, greedy. You are a greedy Fifi Kwetey. Go and wrote a letter to drive me in the party. I have hard work than you. I support the party more than you. I. Nonsense. I will tell you, nonsense. Nonsense again, nonsense, Fifi Kwetey. You are not anybody. I will make sure that Fifi Kwetey will lose his election. I will lie. I will show that Fifi Kwetey will lose his national election. Who are you? Who are you, Fifi Kwetey? Ask the regional chairman of the Ashanti region. Ask the chief of staff. They will tell you, I deserve to NDC to empower me. Me Yakubu Tonedu. I deserve. Go and ask Interior Minister. He will tell you. I didn't beg. We didn't beg. I will support President Mahama for his third term. Tomorrow, I will support President Mahama his third term today. If you like, when you come, cut my head. I don't fear you.
Just sycophant Mwaja. Enchevia na mu label NPP for no. Omo more house for them. Now you label them as the silly minority. The silly minority. To the point say Kevin Taylor who t-shirt na no the share eba no program. Na mu nyina mu anu mani agena mo comment. The silly minority. Kwase afo sycophant de Mwaja lie. Mo da mu buru nipa so. Mo emotions. Mo de mo emotions. Sycophant de Mwaja lie. Munko na muye nipa. Now you know this fight no. Nanka ye fie ntokwa. O kan bia o. E fie ntokwa de nkaja no munko muntokwa. But NPP TikTokers no. Ene lawyer pa advice o there be. Penyah om say ye fie ntokwa but ba yen kaka kragu ye mre bidu kro de na yen sijagu. But I say e do so no. Abeto muchene.
Hello, Happy New Year and welcome to this year 2026. Welcome also to Good Evening Ghana, your favorite political show. We have a very sensitive political story to start the year, and we're giving it to you right now and right here. The General Secretary of the NDC, the Honorable Fifi Kwetey, has insinuated that the majority leader in Parliament, Mahama Yariga, is a bootlicker and he's a sycophant. How did this happen? Well, Mahama Yariga, during the closing session of Parliament, told Parliament, with the support of Sam George, that it is possible for President Mahama to have a third term. Sam George is the one who supplied the Baumia expression, it is possible, to Mahama Yariga when he was on his feet talking in Parliament. He said it is possible for John Mahama to have a third term. Now, during the revolution celebration, the 31st December revolution celebration of a couple of days ago, Fifi Kwetey, in typical feisty revolutionary speech, very feisty, called out all those who are asking for President Mahama to have a third term, or those who think that it is possible, including Sam George, and including the majority leader, Mahama Yarega. Now, Fifi Kwetey says all of these people are sycophants and they are bootlickers. This is what Mahama Yarega said. Listen.
Asking him to seek a third term. I know that. I know that because I read on social media, I listen to conversations, and Ghanaians believe that as a result of the good deeds of His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama, they don't want him to leave the presidency.
They believe a third term is possible.
And they believe that a third term is possible. And they are demanding for a third term.
It was Sam George at the back. It was Sam George who was saying at the back that they believe a third term is possible. So Sam George and Mahama Yarega. Now, this had appeared to have robbed Fifi Kwetey on the very, very wrong side when Mahama Yarega said it. But Fifi Kwetey didn't say anything. He's a typical classic politician. He waits for the time the game is ready and then he fires. So, revolution anniversary comes. 44 years of JJ's revolution, and that revolution is important. That revolution has constitutional implications because whilst that revolution overthrew a constitution, that revolution created a government that then brought Ghana another constitution. So the forum is perfect. What does Fifi Kwetey do? He lashes at Mahama Yarega. He says that all those people who are saying those things, they are sycophants, they are hypocrites, they don't love NDC, they don't love Ghana. The majority leader in parliament doesn't love NDC, doesn't love Ghana, Honorable Fifi Kwetey. Listen to him.
It saddens me when I see so much sycophancy creeping into our party. I see a group of people who obviously, from every indication, they believe that singing the praises of a leader is the only way they can survive. And that's why you hear some of those people even urging statements like there should be a third term. It's just nothing but sycophancy. Pure sycophancy and bootlicking of the highest order.
Pure sycophancy and bootlicking of the highest order, says Fifi Kwetey. But Fifi Kwetey should calm down. He should calm down. Politics is about strategy. Politics is about opportunity. What is the problem? If some people want third term for President Mahama, it may be a strategy. Maybe they don't even want the third term. They just want to announce it. Politics is strategic. You have to think strategically. You have an opponent who is regrouping, trying to put himself together. The elephant sleeping is not the same as when the elephant wakes up. So there are strategies that are used in politics. Why is Fifi Kwetey calling people big, huge, derogatory names like bootlicker? Fifi Kwetey, don't you know that there's a majority leader who said that? He said that he's a bootlicker. But let's come to the point. Let's come to the point with Fifi Kwetey, who is my very good friend. Let's come to the point. Now, one thing I can say about Fifi Kwetey is that he loves the NDC. I don't know why he loves the NDC. You see, because when you work with politicians, some people are MPP because they hate NDC. Some people are MPP because they are MPP. They are right-wing, they are MPP. But there are some who are MPP because they hate NDC. And there are some NDC people who are NDC because they hate MPP. And there are NDC people who are NDC because they're NDC. They like NDC policy. They like Rawlings. They are Keda. So I don't know why Fifi Kwetey is NDC, but he's very loyal to the NDC. I'll tell you, I'll give you a small quick story. Many years ago, I was doing a TV show and the NDC was not represented on the TV. Good Evening Ghana. NDC was not represented and we were talking. Then a call came through and they said, Fifi Kwetey wants to speak to me. So I picked up the call. I said that, yes, Honorable. He said, yeah, the program you're doing, we are not represented. I said, well, so and so of your party was supposed to come, but he's not here. So I have to go on with the show. He said, but you know that you can't have a one-sided show. I said, I'm happy to have anyone. He said, okay, I'm in Sakumono, I'm coming. And within 20 minutes, he drove from Sakumono to Laboni and he joined the show. And he spoke for the NDC. The other guest was Otchere also. So yes, Fifi Kwetey loves the NDC. But Fifi Kwetey should know that these days, we hear all kinds of things. Fifi Kwetey, you are calling people hypocrites and what are they calling? They are calling them bootlickers and sycophants because they want President Mahama to have a third term. And you are saying it's because of something they will get from the system. But Fifi Kwetey, we know, those of us who are political journalists, who are section, we know that you have been promised running mate to Johnson Asiedu Nketiah's ticket. We know that that's a ticket. We know that this is the beautiful ticket that we are awaiting in 2028. Johnson Adom Kwetey on the right, leader of the NDC, Fifi Kwetey on the left, running mate of the NDC, the first Voltarian to be back on the NDC presidential ticket since Rawlings will be Fifi Kwetey. Out of Rawlings' own academic and intellectual loins, Fifi Kwetey is born. So we know this is the ticket. Fifi Kwetey, we know, we are aware. Should we say that you are also a sycophant? That because Adom Kwetey has promised you running mate, you are also a sycophant? No. Fifi Kwetey, you are an experienced politician. You don't do politics like that. You know, it may be strategic for some people to think that let's see whether President Mahama can get a third term. There's nothing wrong with any president trying to see whether he can do this or that. The trying is not the problem. The lawyers call it mens rea. The trying is not the problem. It's the actus reus that is the problem. So don't worry about that. And don't call people names. It's not nice. It's not very healthy. And he was too angry. We are keeping our mind on this, and we are watching this space, and we are going to tell you everything about this space this year, in this January. Join Good Evening Ghana. It will be fantastic. Happy New Year. Welcome aboard again.
Hey! Kanye, Ghana for the General Secretary of the NDC, Ora Fifi Kwetey, Wakasa, then some of Papanabo Bosono, and some Nano Ding. Wase, Omo Tunum, Omo singing praises, Emma President Mahama, say Uncle third term, Omo shout to say third term, for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, no, or catch him say, we are sycophants. Now, most of you are bootlickers. Muyam kom, muyam enehiamu. Wase, sankofo no, a favor, and a mo pe free His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ho. Na mom pe Ghana ye, and a mom pe NDC party ni ye. Wase ka uyo bia, o pe Ghana ye, and also pe NDC party ni ye. Unko jira ho enko tunjum emma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama so unko tete. Wase, sankofo amuye sa ni nyina no. You just want to survive. Mu pe bibi ena adi ewuo. Ankanya sa a kauye patriotic citizen nka unko kan His Excellency John Dramani Mahama so unko term. Wase JJ Rawlings kwa na odi party ni bae no. One consider sa obeko term after the 2 terms no. Na wan eno person sa ko term eno de enya adwuma e wo Ghana ha. Nti o kan ya sanje omo party anthem ebe kan ho se e wom se cadres may go, cadres may come. Adentina do His Excellency John Dramani Mahama so na ne bra so se wo se wo kwa mo se shout so omra tetem munye ni papa mo mientie Fifi Kwetey.
So these days it saddens me when I see so much sycophancy creeping into our party. I see a group of people who obviously, from every indication, they believe that singing the praises of a leader is the only way they can survive. And that's why you hear some of those people even urging statements like there should be a third term. It's just nothing but sycophancy. Pure sycophancy and bootlicking of the highest order. Jerry Rawlings, who was the founder of this party, never at any point was urged by anybody to go for any third term. You have a bunch of sycophants who today think that all they need to do is to sing praises and hoping that some of those praises will get them some opportunities that they are looking for. You don't love our country. You don't love our party. If you do, you will know besides sycophants. It's important for us to appreciate that this party was grounded on the need to work for our people. We say cadres may go, cadres may come, but the revolution has come to stay. That simply means it is not about individuals. It's about us as a collective, ensuring that what is right must be done. So it's important for us to always place this party and this country always at the top. Jerry Rawlings came, serve us to the best of his ability. He's gone. Prof Mills, best of his ability, he's gone. John Mahama is serving to the best of his ability. Bless him, he's doing wonderful. But even his time will come. Why? Because cadres will go, cadres will come, but the great NDC and the revolution has come to stay. And that must always be the number one. Always number one. Placing this party, placing this country always at the top. But some of us that are away, what we want to do is simply to be rolling on the floor and praising individuals, believing that somehow when we do that, we will be able to get what it is we want. When you do that thing, it shows clearly you don't love this country enough, you don't like this party enough.
Charlie, and who said Fifi Kwetey, the General Secretary for the National Democratic Congress, what say or a citizen, but not spectator. What say or a patriotic citizen. Na oni enkofuachi, na onye bootlicker, na mum opegana ye, opegana sumji. Adia, Mr. Fifi Kwetey ayeno, wa enemy respect. Respect, sir. Na him say, enche, yimenya sa akofo ebebre e wa NDC party nim, ama omo yi sebe adwembone afri omutrim. Namaste.
Tine wa dwe ma me e wo comment section. Ayi Penyah bro create agra.